Welcome back. I'm X, and let's get straight to it. So, in news today, should I say, for this week and partially last week, we have Franklin Templeton, a prominent asset management firm, has filed a ETF that will track the spot price of XRP, highlighting the growing institutional interest in cryptocurrencies beyond Bitcoin. Um, as well as asset management. VanEck files for an Avalanche ETF as altcoin, sorry about that, rush heats up. Here's that article as well. Both of these are, from last week, but it's still relevant news. Still relevant news. Now, on to stocks and commodities. So, global markets experience of relief rallying following the easing of the U.S. government shutdown concerns. You remember last week I talked about how the stocks were starting to bounce back from the crazy week that we had. So, Senate Democrat Chuck Schumer support for a Republican funding bill boosted investor sentiment, leading to gains in U.S. futures and European indexes. However, ongoing trade tensions, particularly President Trump's tariff threats on European imports, continue to pose risk. It's crazy. It's crazy. Yes, I know. I know. So, commodities, gold prices have reached a record high of $2,993.80 an ounce as investors seek safe haven assets amid global economic uncertainties and trade tensions. The surge reflects concerns over potential recessions and the impact of tariff policies on global markets. Guys, it's getting rough out here, but hey, always after a dip, prices will come back. So just hang in there, and we'll get to it. We'll get to it. All right, moving on, moving on. Let's get into the signals for this week. I believe I have another 12 trades that we all can get in. We all can get in. Let's get to it. All right. First one on the list is Spy. It's Spy. Let's bring up Spy real quick. Come on, computer. All right. All right. All right. So here is Spy. Let's make sure everything is good. We got one, two touches right there on this trend line. Back in October 2023. So this is definitely a good trend line. Then two more right here following the dip. The dip. So this is a reversal. Um, what we're looking for is this candle to close tomorrow after, end of day tomorrow. Let's move on to the daily chart. Boom. We have a trend line on the daily with multiple touches right here. And then it finally broke through. Look at the MACD right there. It's showing weak selling pressure. And when you start to see these small candles back to back, good reversal. Good reversal. Let's see when was this fair value gap made? This was back in September. Actually, September 11th. September 11th. Yeah, I would get in this trade right here, and be looking for, to get out right here. Safe bets around 585. I put my TP. Or if you wanted to do a trailing stop, I would let it go out. Let it go out somewhere around in here. I would possibly say 602 would be best bet, or just bring it up to the trend line. Bring it up to the trend line. Let's see if the 6 hour shows anything better. Yes, you can see that the MACD is showing buying pressure already. Showing buying pressure already. What did I say? 580. Yep. This is definitely a good area. This is definitely a good area to put a TP. This is a good area. Price constantly comes back to this area right here. So I will put the TP there, and looks like if you put a TP there, it will touch the 50-day, the 60-day EMA. It will touch the 60-day EMA. All right. Moving on to the next trade. Next trade, which is Microsoft. Microsoft. Look at that beautiful reversal. Look at that beautiful reversal. This is the reversal pattern. Only thing that we need, only thing that we're looking for is this candle to close. Oh, that's all we're looking for is this candle to close anywhere above this fair value gap. Anywhere above this fair value gap. And then, yeah, good, that's a good trade. That is a good trade. And like I said before, I believe I said it last week, in this area with the TP. TP. Look at that beautiful, beautiful engulfing candle. That's a beautiful engulfing candle right here. And then look at the MACD, showing buying pressure. It is showing buying pressure. And again, this fair value gap was from January of last year. January of last year. And it's really just got touched this year. So you already know it's going to bounce back, which it's already doing. And this is on the daily. This is on the daily. Let's look at the 6 hours to see anything else. Don't really see too much. Don't really see too much. Let's see what a proper trend line that we can form here. Zoom in. Yeah. About 2 hours, this candle will close. That would definitely be an entry point right here. Right here. Be an entry point. And again, in this area, would be a good trade. Would be a good trade. Let's most recent low right there, and boom. That's a good trade. That's a good trade. A 2-to-1 trade right here. 2-to-1 trade right there. All right. Now let's go on to Forex. I got about 3 trades in Forex. UJ. UJ. Where is UJ? This is it right here. Yes, UJ. 3-day. Reversal. A reversal. Ooh, I love this stuff. Easy reversal right here on the 3-day. Like I said before, all we need to see is a closing anywhere in this area. Anywhere in this area. This is a reversal candlestick pattern right here. This is on the 3-day. This fair value gap was made in October, the beginning of October of last year. You can also put a little trend line right here. Boom, this is a good trend line. Let's make it a little better. The goal with trend lines is to get as many touch points as possible. Remember, a trend line is only good as many touch points. So that's many touch points right there, and price is actually breaking through this trend line as we speak. Let's look on the daily. Let's look on the daily. Yeah, this is just a good setup. The MACD looking good, looking good. Look at that trend right there. MACD showing some buying pressure. Ooh, that's even better. Look at that beautiful trend right there. Is there ooh, looking like a bullish flag is forming. Let's see on the 2 hour what we can see. Yes, yes, yes. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. This is a pennant. This is a pennant. Yeah, remember what I told you. Opposite color on the pastel color, or whatever it is. So this will break through as long as we don't get any news coming out. That's another thing with Forex. I suggest you guys only swing trade for now until you guys get better with Forex, just because the news can change price quickly. It's very volatile during news. Yeah. So moving on. Let's go back to the 3-day and AU. AU. This AU? Yes. AU. On the 3-day, as you can see, it's like clockwork. It's like clockwork. If you would have gotten that trade earlier, a couple of days back, actually a while back, my mistake, a while back, you would have seen the break of structure or break of trend line right here. And yes, it's a good move. You still have some time to get in this trade. Because typically, price moves from fair value gap to fair value gap. That's basically typically how it moves. Let's look on a daily. Yeah, it's this look like some type of flag or something right here, pennant on a smaller time frame. Yes, this is definitely a breakout. Let's see if we can recreate it. Boom. I like it right there. Yeah, that looks good like that. That looks good because you just got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 touches right there on this trend line, and boom, shot back up. So this fair value gap, I know this is on the 6 hour. This fair value gap has been touched multiple times. So it's more than likely going to kill this fair value gap right here. The MACD is looking good. Everything is together. MACD is green on the daily. Still green on the 3-day. On the 3-day. So I would definitely use. Yeah. So let's just see what we can do. Now, I just noticed something. I just noticed something. Now, this is a breakout. However, price always retrace back to the MACD, especially the 30-day MACD. So it looks like this move is done. Yes, so you can cross out this AU long. I'm betting on the short term, 6 hour, that the MACD will come back to this 30-day EMA. I know it's showing some good pressure now. Ooh, it's showing some real good pressure, even on the 2 hour. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know about this one. I don't know about this one. I do not know about this one. However, this is touching, getting close to this fair value gap right here. It is getting close to this fair value gap. So, if price do get up to 63, 64 cents, it will reverse back. It will reverse back just because it hasn't been touched really. It has not been touched really. So with that knowledge, I will actually wait to get in for a long somewhere down here. However, for short, I don't have enough, we don't have enough time or knowledge to get in the long right here just yet, or a short. And this is now we all the way down on the 30-minute. What is the 10-minute shows? Showing some sell pressure in the MACD. This is actually a reversal candle. But however, this is on the 10 minutes, so I wouldn't suggest you guys trade on anything less than a 6 hour. So yeah, price touch this area and then come down. This is my best bet. So I would say don't get into a trade just yet with AU just because it's not confirmed in my eyes. You guys might see something else, but at the same time, you guys are on this channel because you're looking to learn how to trade. So let's move on to USD CAD. I'm looking at a short for this one. Looking for a short for this one. Looking for a short. As you can see, this is why I'm looking for a short. This is why I'm looking for a short. The selling pressure is huge. Selling pressure is huge. This is on the 3-day. Touched the top of this trend line, and it got rejected. Got rejected on the 3-day, and it's only three hours left in the 3-day on Forex. So what I'll be looking for just a close anywhere right here below the fair value gap will be ideal, just because it is a fair value gap forming. It is a fair value gap forming, which will be red. Um, so let's look down on the daily. Let's look down on the daily. Yeah, it's looking like is that a double top? I don't want to force it, but I can definitely see a double top somewhere around here. Come back to here. Come back to here. Like I said before, fair value gap to fair value gap. It's going to make a red one right here within the next 3 hours. And I would take that up to this fair value gap because the 200-day EMA will come out to here. just right above this fair value gap, and then it will reverse. Will reverse, and then this red fair value gap. So it's going to reverse right here, and then go back up to this red fair value gap, and it's going to probably range right there for a little bit, and then go down lower. The reason why I say it's going to go down lower because we are in a range of trend line to trend line, and looking like it's going to come somewhere around here. By that time, it'll probably be November of next year. So it's definitely going to come in this area right in here. A lot of price in this area, a lot of price right in this area. So, that's all for Forex. Let's get into crypto. A lot of crypto. A lot of crypto. First, let's go to the commodities first. I'm gonna do crypto last. Do crypto last. Back to 3 day. Let's see. We have gold, silver, crude oil, copper, and natural gas. Natural gas. I I might take that off the list just because you really don't see a lot of people talking about natural gas and things like that. Things like that. So let's go on to gold. Go on to gold. Gold has been going crazy. Gold has been going crazy. Gold has been going crazy. Remember the article that I was just talking about? Gold is about to hit 3,000. Gold, and this is on a 3 day. Gold is about to hit 3,000. It's about to make a fair value gap right here in 3 hours. Let's build one just in case. This would be the new fair value gap right here. This would be. I'll leave this up here for tomorrow so you guys can see. Um, yeah. Let's get to on the daily. Here's another trend line. Been touched multiple times. This is a great trend line. Great trend line. I believe this is the all-time high for gold. Let's look on the monthly chart. Yeah, this is definitely an all-time high for gold. Definitely. So, since this is all-time high, trading can be a little difficult when we are in uncharted areas. Um, so it's definitely a trade in here. Ooh, what do you see here? What do you see here? I know what I see. What do you guys see? I'm looking at a potential flag. Potential flag. Let's go down to the 2 hours. Yeah, this price is looking good. This is looking good. Ooh, this is looking good. Let's go down even lower. Yeah, this is looking good. Yeah. Up, there's one. I see you. So, boom, 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 boom. 20 seconds left on the 30 minute. Let's go down a little lower. Yeah, that's a flag. That's a flag forming. That's definitely a flag forming. That's definitely a flag forming. Yep, that's definitely a flag forming right there. Um, yeah, so let's just go back to the 6 hour. Um, however, right there, EMA. Depending on what this candle closes as, it could be a reversal, but that's only on the 6 hour. So it's not that we don't have much to go off on. We don't have much to go off on just yet. So yeah, yeah, yeah. Because price is definitely far away from the 30-day EMA, and once you cross trend line, a major trend line, there is chance for a pullback. There is chance for a pullback, basically back to the trend line. So you can definitely get into this trade, but I would definitely have a firm, a small, or should I say a very tight stop loss. A very tight stop loss. Yeah, that's moving on to silver. To silver. So I have in my notes that we're looking at a 6 hour bull flag. Yep, I can dig it. I can dig it. Let's clean this up. No, it's a pennant. It's actually a pennant. Actually a pennant. Now, this 6 hour candle, if this closes above this, if it engulfs this candle, this 4 a.m. candle, that's good news. That's real good news. Let's look at the 2 hour. It looks better. Now you can see it. Now you can see it. Now you can see it. Can I make that a little tighter? Yep. I like how that looks better. I like how this looks on the 2 hour. I like how this looks on the 2 hour. Ooh. Trade. Trade. That's a good trade right there. Again, just like gold, there is a we are at all time high, I believe, or no, we're not at all time high. We are not at all time high. So I will put that trade safe bet to 34, 34 or 4. That'd be a good trade, 34.4. That's right there at the breakout. Yeah, basically right there, 34.4. Most recent low right there. That's a 1.7 to 1 trade right there. Um, if you're using Honda like I am, what is silver? Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. What's going on? Hold on, guys. Hold on. All right, it's starting working. What was I saying? Silver on Honda. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I'm in the wrong one. Gotta go see. Gotta go see. Now, I'm not sure how to get in this trade on Honda because apparently you can't do it. I don't understand why. I don't understand why. But neither here nor there. Let's go back. At the end, I will show you the progress I have on my Awanda trades. I will show you. And yes, it has gone up. It has gone up. So let's get back to it. Let's get back to it. What's next? Crude oil. Yes, crude oil for a long. We have a beautiful reversal. I like it. I like it very much. I like it very much. Yeah. So yeah, and this is a daily. This is a daily trend line. This is definitely a daily trend line. What? That's a daily trend line, and the long one is a 3-day trend line. It looks like on the 3-day, it will bust through. My goal is to get this one up in the next 3 hours. In the next 3 hours, right here. So yeah, so let's just delete that one. Move on to the daily. Boom. Now, my gold, a bunch of commodities are delayed. You definitely have to pay extra. So it is delayed by 10 minutes, as you can see. You have to buy the real time data. And what I just clicked was basically just click this area and then learn more. Boom. And then it'll prompt you into paying, I think, like $8 or something like that a month to get the real time data. Because right now everything is lagging. Everything is lagging. So, what am I on? Crude oil on the daily. MACD's looking good, looking good, looking good. What does the 6 hour look like? Looking good. Everything's looking good for a long. You know me. Uh, always find where price goes back to multiple times. Um, I would say somewhere in this one for a safe trade. That'll be a safe trade. Now, however, this is from top trend line to bottom trend line. So, of course, goal is to always trade trend line to trend line. So, yeah, right here, be a safe trade to go here. Or you can just bring it up to, yeah, right here. 73.6 is a good trade. Yeah, 73.6. And price is here a lot. Price is here a lot. 736. That's another good trade. And this is on a 6 hour. Select 70. What did I say? 76? No, I said 73.6. Yeah, 73.6. Let's look what that looks like. On the daily. Still looks good on the daily. Still looks good. You see price that it bounced off this fair value gap. And this fair value gap was made back in August of 2021. August of 2021. Let that sink in. Let that sink in. Every time price hits this, it bounces back. Every time it bounces back. Every time it bounces back. So, moving on, let's look at copper. Again, these are all of these commodities will be delayed. Uh, Boom, look at that 3-day. Ooh, that's a good trade. Ooh, that's a good trade. Yeah, coach. In a way, this is when you would have should have gotten in for this trade. However, um, I would kind of wait to get in, depending on if this wicks out or not. If this does not wick out, I will get in. I will get in if it does not wick out. Yep, it engulfed it. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, it's pushing through. Copper is pushing through. Pushing through. Let's see where we can get in. Wow. Is that all time? No, that can't be all time high. That is all time high. Copper is at all time high. Copper futures. Copper futures is at all time high this week. It reached there back in May of last year. Back in May of last year. Ooh, look at that beautiful double bottom right there. Beautiful double bottom. This is on a 2 week. This is on a 2 week. Look at the double bottom. One, two, up. And there's another little small one right there too. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that double bottom. Tell me you can't see that double bottom. Boom, boom, boom. That's a beautiful double bottom. You can even see it here. You can even see it there. It's a beautiful double bottom. And this is why I shut up. It's a beautiful double bottom. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right. Natural gas. Natural gas. I don't know about this one. It's definitely a short. Definitely a short. I don't know if I'm going to keep natural gas, keep reporting on natural gas, but this is a short. Um, why is this a short, you may ask? I bring the short to this 30-day EMA. That's why I would bring it just because it definitely engulfed it. And it's going to build. Yes, yes. Yeah, I'll bring that down here. What does the data look like? What does the data look like? Mm, I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I don't like this natural gas. I'm getting out of natural gas, deleting it off of my charts, taking that off, taking that off, taking that off. All right, all right. On to crypto. On to crypto. Basically everything is a trade. We got Bitcoin, ETH, Solana, XRP, and BNB. Yeah, everything is looking good in crypto. Look at that beautiful bounce. My prediction last week. Now this wasn't a prediction. This wasn't a prediction. This was just if price came down here, this would be bad. This would be bad. But I am nervous about this big fair value gap. I am nervous about this. I am nervous about it. But we still have a couple more days to get here. Also, I believe it's March 25th. I believe that's when everyone thinks that everything is going to go up. Also, it's between March 25th and April 2nd. That's when crypto and stocks are supposed to soar again. Are supposed to soar again. So just write that on you guys' calendar between March 25th and April 2nd. Oh man, this is a longer video today. This is definitely a longer video. Guys, I'm almost done. I'm almost done. Just bear with me. I'm trying to get you guys some money. I'm trying to get you guys some money. So, um, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. Beautiful reversal. Let's look on the 6 hour. Blah, blah, blah. MACD is looking all right, looking all right. Did just make a fair value gap right off the 30-day EMA on the 6 hour. So that's good news. So it's looking like it's going to break through this range that it's been in since, what can I say, Friday on the 6 hour. And again, this is another quote unquote pattern. When price goes over 50% of the previous candle, um, basically wait on to the next candle to see if it goes in the same direction, then you get in. That's typically how you trade something like that. Um, yeah, that's about all for Bitcoin. And again, all crypto follows Bitcoin in a sense. Let's look at the 3 day on Ethereum. Uh, it's looking pretty good. This is looking pretty good as well. Looking pretty good. I won't spend too much time on crypto just because all crypto kind of follows Bitcoin as well. Let's fix this. Move my trend lines around. I noticed that I haven't done it. Boom, boom. Why is this all messed up? Why is this all messed up? But yeah, so that looks even better. Having the trend line in the correct way, correct area. So this ETH trade, looks like it's engulfing, but however, ah, this kind of scares me. I know you're not supposed to deviate from your trading plan, but in my perspective, if I invert this would be looking like a flag. However, it all depends on this candle right here. This candle, it needs to engulf this red candle. Because once you invert it, a flag is formed. Flag is formed. So that scares me a little bit. That scares me a little bit. Ooh. And on the 6 hour, it touched the EMA. So this might be a short. This might be a short. Keep the eye out on ETH. And it might be the same thing for Bitcoin as well. Might be the same thing. But like I said, we need some more. We need more data. We need more data. So yeah, keep an eye out on ETH for that bearish flag on the 6 hour. 6 hour. So Solana, this is ooh, see something right there as well. See something right there as well. Ooh, that's not looking too good. It's not looking too good. Let's invert this so you guys can see it a little better. Yeah. I don't know, guys. I don't know. A pennant. I mean, it's gonna shoot. It's gonna shoot back lower. It's gonna shoot lower. So again, keep your crypto's a little strange right now. Now that I'm looking at it a little differently. Let's look at XRP. However, if XRP can shoot past this fair value gap, we might be in business now. We might be in business. And all of the EMAs, now this is on 2 hour. All of the EMAs are tight. So that's a good thing. That can be a good thing. And on the 6 hour, yeah, XRP is looking better than the other crypto. XRP is looking better than the other crypto. Yes, sir. XRP is looking a little better than the other crypto. Do I have BNB on here as well? On the daily, we got 5 hours left, and it's looking like it's going to engulf this candle. On the Sunday candle, it's looking like it's going to engulf the Sunday candle. If so, I would definitely get in. I would definitely get in. What does a 3 day look like? Yeah, buddy. The MACD is looking good. The MACD, remember what I said, reversal. At least 50%. This green candle is more than 50% of this Saturday candle. That's good. That's good. That's real good. That's real good. What does a 6 hour look like? Looking like a flag. I don't know. Y'all know flags are my favorite. Flags and double bottoms are my favorite. Flags and double bottoms are my favorite. Uh, yeah. Let's see. 30 minute. Again, we don't want to force anything. We don't want to force anything. Never force a pattern. The best patterns are the ones that you can see with the naked eye. The best patterns are ones you can see with the naked eye. Remember that. So yeah, what I'll be looking for if I was trading on a 30, basically just price crossing this trend line right here. Trend line right there. All right. Looks like that'll be all for today. Um, Again, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Again, I'm X. We here now. See you on the next.